In today's video, we'll be exploring the top 5 best electric mag drills available on the market. We've done the hard work for you by researching extensively and going through numerous real user reviews to create this list. If you want more details or the latest pricing on any of the electric mag drills mentioned, make sure to check the links in the description below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on our latest reviews and recommendations. Now, let's dive in. Number 5, Multifunctional Magnetic Drill Press. The multifunctional magnetic drill is a powerful tool for engineering in steel structures. It delivers precision and stability for drilling large diameter holes with ease. Designed for professionals, it ensures efficiency in tough environments. With a robust motor and strong magnetic base, it guarantees secure operation. Whether for industrial or workshop use, this drill enhances productivity and accuracy. A reliable choice for demanding drilling tasks. Number 4, VEVOR 1300W/1400W Magnetic Drill Press. The VEVOR electric magnetic drill press is ideal for heavy-duty drilling. It features a user-friendly scale for precise hole positioning and a high-performance 1300W/1400W copper motor. With a 40 mm max boring diameter and 50 mm max coring depth, it handles industrial fabrication and home improvement projects. Its powerful magnetic base ensures stability, making it an excellent choice for professionals who need precision and durability in demanding drilling tasks. Number 3, 1550W Industrial Steel Magnetic Drill. This 1550W magnetic drill is built for commercial manufacturing and industrial steel drilling. It features an infinitely variable speed regulation system for optimal performance. Its universal collet supports versatile drilling, while the 220V power supply ensures reliability. With forward and reverse drilling functionality, it enhances precision and adaptability. Whether for workshop tasks or large-scale projects, this drill is a powerful tool for professionals needing accuracy and efficiency. Number 2, AOCKE AX23/23RE Portable Magnetic Drill. The AOCKE AX23/23RE is designed for industrial drilling needs with its powerful 1500W motor. Compact and portable, it offers high-quality construction for durability and long-term performance. Engineered for precision drilling, it is perfect for professionals handling complex projects. Its professional-grade design ensures efficiency, while the strong magnetic base secures stability. Ideal for engineers and contractors, this drill is a must-have for industrial-grade drilling. Number 1, 800W Magnetic Drill for DIY Renovation. This versatile 220V magnetic drill is perfect for renovation teams and DIY enthusiasts. It supports bench, core, and portable drilling, making it highly multifunctional. With a powerful 800W motor, it ensures efficient performance. The 9000N strong suction cup provides firm stability, enhancing accuracy. With a max drilling diameter of 13 mm, it accommodates various projects. Whether for home improvements or professional tasks, this drill is a reliable, compact, and powerful tool.